The next day, a few young people arrived at the amusement park for a day of fun. They didn't know they were going to die in the happiest place. The two people who were killed last night were also participants this time, but they didn't know that they were still waiting for them to come. They called several times in a row, but they couldn't get through. They decided to wait a little longer after the discussion. At this time, the curly suddenly came to the mood. He told everyone about the legend of the killer. At this time, outside the amusement park, the killer was still playing his killing game. It doesn't matter if it's red or white. The killer also has an accomplice, Bear. His way of killing is different from the killer. He likes to catch people and lock them in the iron cage. Listen to their miserable screams. This gives Bear a sense of joy. The reason why the two killers are crazy about killing people is because they're helping the doctor collect the human body and put the organization together to become a perfect bride. The doctor is sometimes very helpless. The two killers often bring back some useless organs. Even the size of the 2 feet is different. The doctor here criticized the killer. Let him not bring back the men's organization next time, because what they're trying to build is a beautiful bride. The doctor doesn't care how many people they've killed, as long as they can bring back the useful organization in the end. In order to complete the perfect bride as soon as possible, the doctor made a game for them. Who can find the best body before midnight? So who will the most perfect bride marry? This gave the killer and Bear a moment of fighting spirit. Immediately set out to find the prey.